Kumusta po sa inyong lahat? Nanonood kayo ng The News Listener by Angelo at pag-usapan natin tong video message ni Kiko Barsaga na mukhang kahit namatay na yung tao, wala pa ring respetong tong gagong congressman na to. Okay, so panoorin natin to guys at tingnan natin kung totoo talaga itong sinasabi nitong congressman na parang hindi congressman na umasta. Okay? So panoorin natin to. Smile.
Citizens, Congressman Romeo Acop has passed away. There's no more hope for the Congress of the Philippines. Politicians steal from the people without consequences, enriching themselves at the expense of our poor citizens. Luckily, we have the Lord on our side. When justice and legal systems fail us, we can put our faith in God to deliver us from evil. At what he has done to Congressman Romeo Acop, he has taken his life and passed judgment upon him.
Wait, sinabi niya dito, he has taken his life and passed judgment upon
ensuring that he may not continue his corruption any longer. Let this be a lesson to all of the other congressmen. You may steal from the people. You may become powerful here on earth, but you were born with nothing and you shall die with nothing. Congressman Acop has left a legacy of greed and corruption, hated by the people he swore to serve, the Filipino people who rejoiced upon hearing the news of his demise. This is also how every corrupt congressman will be remembered, as a stain of filth on our beloved country's flag. Happy New Year, and may God have mercy on your souls.
Imagine nyo yun, nag-Happy New Year pa siya. Walang kwentang taong to. Ang sinabi niya, balik natin sabi niya dito, luckily we have the Lord on our side. So kaninong side? Sa kanya ba? Kay Kiko Barsaga o kay Congressman Acop? Kung titignan nyo guys, yung mga antics, mga ginagawa ni Kiko Barsaga, mga walang kwentang behavior, okay, sa Kongreso, at doon sa paggagawa niya ng mga hindi kaaya-aya, katulad ng paghihimok ng paghihimagsik sa gobyerno, laban sa gobyerno, at manawagan ng people power para ibagsak ang gobyerno. Yan ba yan? Yan ba yung ituturing na yung ating Panginoon nasa side niya? Diba? Siyempre hindi. Kasi siya mismo gumagawa ng kagaguhan at lumalabag ng batas. Okay? O sige. Forward natin dito. Sabi niya, meron daw korupsyon. Sige, forward natin Continue his corruption any longer. Meron bang kayong narinig na korupsyon na ginawa ni Congressman Acop? Ito. Trinay ko i-search online pero wala tayong makitang any information na magsasabi na meron siyang ginawang korupsyon. Okay? So ayon dito, so pinamadali lang natin sa Gemini guys. So sabi dito, based on the available public records and recent reports up to early 2026, there's no evidence that Romeo Acop has been convicted of corruption. In fact, he was widely recognized for his role investigating and exposing corruption in the Philippine government. Tragically, pumauna na siya noong Disyembre 2025, age of 78. So anong mga record niya? Based sa anti-corruption advocate, siya yung membro ng House Quadcom Committee at Committee of Good Government and Public Accountability. Acop was instrumental in uncovering irregularities. He famously flagged the name Mary Grace Piatos. Natatandaan niyo yun? So, yung panahon na nag-hearing tapos hindi mapaliwanag ng opisina ng Vice President yung mga pangalan na Mary Grace Piatos, may mga halos parang pang-grocery. Di ba? Hindi nila mapaliwanag. Ngayon, sinampahan si Sara Duterte ng impeachment sa House of Representatives. Okay. So yan. Receipts of confidential funds, which he alleged was fictional names used to justify government spending. Imagine nyo, hindi na lang, sana gumamit na lang sila ng alias. Hindi yung parang, pangalan ng restaurant tsaka ng chichirya. Diba? Okay, so investigative focus. Lead inquiries into ghost flood control projects. Corruption in PUV modernization. Yung panahon ni Duterte yan, at grand criminal enterprise related to previous administration drug war. O yun, yung nangyari sa Peking drug war ni Duterte. Reputation, colleagues and public officials, including the former speaker, have characterized him as a lawmaker of integrity and discipline who prioritize accountability and the rule of law. Yung na-involve lang siya doon sa Corotong Balilain case. Okay? However, the case eventually dismissed by the court. So wala talagang any corruption involved si Congressman Acop. Regarding his salin, yung salin niya daw is around net 97, total assets 132 million, liability 35. So wala talagang issue of any corruption at kung titingnan yung mga sources na nakalagay dito, guys, pwede nyong gawin din to at definitely nasa Google naman din. Okay? So ano yung best moments ni Congressman Acop doon sa Quadcom? Okay, yung pag-discover niya ng Mary Grace Piatos. Okay? And then, hindi makapagsalita yung mga opisina ni Sara Duterte nang tinanong kung totoong tao ba tong si Mary Grace Piatos. Pero wala silang may bigay na impormasyon, okay? Doon sa tao na 'yon. Na corner niya rin si Harry Roque. So sabi dito, Acop was instrumental committee's decision to cite former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque in contempt. The moment when Roque tried to excuse his absence from hearing by claiming that conflict of court schedule, Acop and colleagues presented a certification from the court providing Roque was lying. Kabam! O diba? So mismo si Roque nagsisinungaling. Famous line. Pwede nyo basahin. Kung gusto nyo, pause. The moment he delivered the powerful report stating the committee uncovered the grand criminal enterprise involving Pogo. Yun. At yung Pogo, illegal drug trade, tsaka extrajudicial killing nung panahon ng Peking drug war ni Duterte. So the impact. He was one of the few lawmakers who explicitly linked former Rodrigo Duterte to the center of enterprise, calling the previous administration deception that protected certain drug lords while killing the poor. Yes, walang mga drug lords na nakulong. Kung may napatay man, yung mga kompetensya ng mga Duterte. Di ba? Ano pa, okay, so sinabihan niya yung mga police na nagsisinungaling, okay, noong 2023. At tactical questions ng magkapatid na Yang, yung former economic advisor na Chinese. Imagine nyo, Chinese, ginawang economic advisor ni Duterte. Si Raulo. Tapos ngayon, hinahanap, hindi na makita. Kasi link siya sa Pogo at drugs. Di ba? Yun. So, wala kang makikita talaga any corruption issues against Congressman Romeo Acop. Okay? At dito makikita mo talagang tanga-tanga tong Kikong Barasaga na to. Imagine niyo, walang respeto sa patay, kahit sabihin niyang merong korupsyon, wala naman. dapat meron din siyang respeto pa rin. Kasi imagine niyo tatay niya namatay, matagal na, pero pag sabihin na natin ginawa niya sa may gumawa ng ganito sa tatay niya, ano kayang mararamdaman niya bilang anak? Itong sagot ni Attorney Wilfredo Garrido kasi fina-follow ko siya. Ang sabi niya dito, Kiko Barsaga finally crossed the line. So, sabi niya, the king of Congressman Romeo Acob should file a libel case. As far as his service record is concerned, he has served the country honorably. Magiting na siya na police, okay, at congressman many times. Wala ni isang nag-file ng kaso laban sa kanya. Di ba? Kasi kung totoong corrupt ng sinasabi ni Kiko Barsaga, sana patunayan niya. Naglahad na siya ng ebidensya dito sa Facebook para kung makasuhan siya ng libel, may ebidensya siyang matibay. Pero kung wala, wag na sana siyang gumawa ng ganito. Kasi hindi siya malinis na isang congressman. Let's remember na itong si Kiko Barsaga ay isang nepo baby. Galing sa political dynasty at nanalo lang kasi yung tatay niya ay isang politiko, matagal na, pati yung kaniyang whole family doon sa kanilang lugar sa Cavite. Okay? Hindi lang to mananalo tong gagong to kasi kasi nanalo siya dahil sa tatay niya. Pero kung ibang politiko ito, hindi ito mananalo bilang congressman doon sa kanilang lugar. Imagine niyo yung napakaliit ng chance niya na matalo. Sana sa susunod na eleksyon, hindi na to iboto ng mga kanyang mga kababayan doon sa Dasmariñas. At sana matauhan sila na huwag magluklok ng wala sa katinoang politiko katulad niya. Okay? So guys, kung meron kayong comment suggestion sa ating video, paki-comment po sa baba at please hit the like and subscribe button. Pasensya po, medyo merong akong konting sakit at hopefully okay na ako pagkabukas. So salamat po and I'll see you sa susunod na video.